Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a MGZS EV, fully electric, diamond cut alloys, keyless entry, keyless starting, reversing camera, one owner, full service history. There's an opening panoramic roof. Heated leather seats with side airbags. Pocket here, handbook, service history. Pocket down here with a USB, two USBs. You put your phone there, put the wire through this hole here if you wish. Isofix rear seats. Cavernous boot area, air inflation kit. This is your charger here. It will have two, has the type 2 and the charger. The rear shelf's got to be put back in, obviously. This is basically keyless. You touch this, you lock the vehicle. Just to unlock the vehicle. 4 electric windows, unlock, unlock. Electric adjustable driver's seat. To turn the vehicle on, you push this button here. Put on the brake, push that button, where it starts. Sat nav, navigation. This opens up. Fully opening panoramic roof. You have electronic blind as well, you can shut. You can stop it where you wish. Touchscreen stereo. To go to the home, push this button here. This goes to home, DAB radio, Android Auto, Apple Carplay. Set up your different menus and that to set up different things. This is your home button here. Heater, heated seats, gear lever. This is your different modes of your battery and that sort of stuff. Done 24,428 miles. This is your cruise control and speed limiter here. Auto lights. It also has, this is your wiper switch this side. Put the seat back. That's better. Two mirrors here. What's this here? Electronic mirrors. Electronic folding mirrors. You got this pocket here that can close. If you wish, have a pocket here, nice handy pocket there. Height adjustable drivers, the driver's column as well. To turn the vehicle off, you push this button here to turn it off. To lock the vehicle when you get out, push this button. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you for watching.